We are at room 8104 on the Disney Wish. We were originally in a different room. So this is a very narrow, or this is a very wide hallway, which works with my wheelchair, which is a wide wheelchair. So the door automatically opens. Got a big old mirror. Hi. Nice big open space. This is our last day. I didn't get to record it when we first came because we were in a different room. We've got Tiana, and they brought a cot for me, but I believe this bed also pulls out to be a full-size bed. Big open space, very beautiful. Have the accessible closet. There's only one of these that does this. It pulls down. It goes right back up. It's a little bit hard to pull. And then goes out to the deck. There's just a little bit of an incline. Quite a bit of space.
Check out the